Hello guys, back again with another video for you guys again. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can set up this quantum ledger with online banking feature and sending and receiving of crypto. Powerful website which have never been done anywhere, you can never find anywhere. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can use this website and how you can also still manage this website, and or you can also still set this website for yourself and for your clients. So without wasting any of your time, let's jump straight into the video. So as you can see now, this is the front page of the website, the home page of the website. You can see this well structured and laid out for you. The content, the dictates, images has already been chosen for you. So there's no need to stress yourself about adding images, adding content, and all that. It has been perfectly done for you. All you just have to do is just to install and set it up for yourself or for your clients. You can see the design is very beautiful, and it's mobile responsive for all devices, be it your mobile phone, your Android, your desktop size, everything is very awesome. You can see that here. Now you can see multiple page website. You can see the home page, the about us page, the service page, the contact us page, the login and registration page. So that is just basically how this particular front end is. So let's not waste much time. Let's jump straight to the dashboard where you can see explore other options of this website. All you have to do is also click login here. Okay, click login here. As you click on login, fill in your username and your password. After doing that, just click on login. But I'm already logging now. Once you put in that, it will take you straight to this particular dashboard. Awesome. You can see the dashboard now is very awesome. As you can see, it is well structured for you. So we're going to explore each feature of this website step by step and show you guys how they work and how you can use them too. So the top here, you can have your crypto balance here, your fiat balance, and your account number here. So you can see this toggle, you can click to off this and also on this too, which is very awesome. So let's click on the first step here. The first one here is to click on buy, where you can buy different cryptocurrency and all that. So I know that here. So let's go down. You can see these are different crypto portfolio you have here. You have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Solana, Ripple. You can see that different coin options here. So let's click on this particular coin here. This particular one, click on it, Bitcoin. I have a $70 worth of Bitcoin here. Click on it. So you can either deposit, withdraw, transfer, or invest. You can see it's very awesome. So let's say I want to deposit Bitcoin. So click on deposit. Okay. All right. So what I have to do is just to scan this particular address here, or just put in the copy this address here or make payment to this address here, which can be set from the. I'll show you guys how you can actually set that up. So after doing that, just click enter the amount. Let's say I want to deposit $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. After clicking on that, click on confirm payment. Okay. You can see deposit successful, transfer ID. You can see your transfer ID here. So once your payment has been confirmed by the admin, your balance will be created automatically without no stress. Yeah, so let us wait for it to just reload so you can take us back to our dashboard so we can check out other features here. All right, so that's that. So let's click on the same Bitcoin again. I want to withdraw Bitcoin. So click on withdraw. Okay, click on withdraw. Select you want to withdraw from which particular coin. I will say Bitcoin. Click on Bitcoin. Put in the amount here. I want to withdraw $10 worth of Bitcoin. Put in there. Then the wallet address you want to withdraw it to. This is my wallet address. Just have to put that there. Then my PIN, just put 1 2. Okay, that's my PIN. Then click on withdraw. Okay, so you can see withdrawal request submitted successfully. So once your withdrawal has been processed by the admin, your money will go straight to the address you actually put there. Awesome. So that's just how this withdrawal session actually works. Now let's check out the transfer part. So let's click on this same coin too. Let's check out the transfer. You can see you can transfer this Bitcoin from this particular user to another user. So what you just have to do is to select the coin you want to transfer, Bitcoin, click on Bitcoin, put in the amount here. I want to transfer $10 or $20, any amount you want. Then put in the user wallet ID. So I can't actually transfer to my own wallet ID because to get the wallet ID of a user, you can see this is the wallet ID of a particular user. So the user will give you his or her wallet ID. What you just have to do is just to come here, put in the wallet ID here, click on transfer, and this particular $20 worth of Bitcoin will be sent directly to that particular user, which is a very awesome feature here on this particular website. So let's try out the next feature for this particular coin, which is that should be invest. You can actually do investment on this particular invest in a particular crypto. So let's just give it time to load. Okay, click on this particular coin, Bitcoin. Okay, click on Bitcoin, click on invest. You can see active investments have like 0 Bitcoin here. So how to invest $10. Okay, click on that. Click on confirm. You can see invest successfully. You can see accepting invest $10 worth of Bitcoin. $10 worth of Bitcoin successfully. So just give it time to load back and take us back to the dashboard. So that is the same step you have to still follow for the Ethereum and all those other ones here. So it's actually the same step for Ethereum, SROP, and all that here. So that's just that for that. Now let's go. That's just this crypto session part. Now let's go straight to the transfer part, where's for the banking feature of this particular website. So if you come here now, you can see your local transfer, international transfer, or my fiat. So if you want to make deposits to your fiat balance, you click on fiat. If you want to do your fiat transaction, click on here and all that. So let us click on this sidebar here. So just click this step by step. So you can see this is the bank futures here, which is awesome. So I want to do local transfer. Click on local transfer. Okay. Yeah, what you have to do now is just input those user details here. All right, what you have to do now is to put in your details of the local transfer, which is just your username, which is as my username. The user you want to transfer money to is Mike Smith. Put in the Mike Smith there, account number, put in the account number there, then the bank name, which is let's say Trust Bank, since local transfer. Put that there. The amount I want to transfer, $100. Then I put my security pin 1234 there. Then click on transfer. Okay, just give it time to load. Okay, but okay, 10-digit number is required. Okay, sorry about that. All right, so you can see all those validations are actually here, so our users don't have to. Okay, let's see. Let it load. You can see processing payments. Awesome. So just give it time to load. All right, give it time to load. You can see this loader here, which is very awesome. You can see. Give it time to load. Give it time to load. It's processing payment. Okay. So processing the payment. Analyzing transfer. I can see transaction successful. You can actually your transfer has been completed successfully to transaction ID here. You can make on that transfer or view the transaction receipt. You click on view here. Click on view receipt. You can see all your transactions on this particular place. So let us forget about that. I will show you guys that later. So let's try that our international transfer. Click on that national transfer. Okay. Now international transfer, it is actually the same process, but this is kind of different. The user I want to transfer to is user test user account number, put in the account number there, put in the bank name, let's say Bank, okay, country, you can say UK, then the Swift code, you can put my Swift code there, put the Swift code there, then amount on the transfer, I'll say $1,000. Transaction pin, put my transaction pin there and click on transfer fund. Okay, transfer fund, give it time to load. You can see enter your IMF code to authorize this transfer. So I have to put my IMF code, my COT code, my PVT code to authorize this transfer. So my IMF code, put my IMF code here. Okay, let me just look for that real quick. Put my IMF code there. You can see processing authorization, preparing for next step. So you actually have to validate that my code to make sure it's correct before moving to the next step. You can see, give it time to validate. Okay, give it time to validate. You can see enter your COT code. Now we actually have to enter our COT code, which is 12345. Okay, put my COT code there. You can see actually the same process. Okay, validating. Okay, enter your BVT code. Put my BVT code here. Authorize the transaction. You can see all these security measures as just as a bank is. Okay, note this is for international transfer, so actually require all this particular code. You can actually turn off this billing code from the admin side, which is actually awesome. So I will show you guys how you can do that soon. You can see international transfer successfully. International transfer has been completed successfully. You can allow 1 to 3 business days to fund to reflect. You can then make another transfer or view your transaction details. So you have to make another transfer. So this is how this particular session actually works. So that's all that for that. Now let's go to Fiat deposit. This is actually to add funds to our Fiat balance. So very easy process. Just come here, put in how much you want to deposit. Let's say I want to deposit $1,000 to my Fiat balance. Payment method I want to use Bitcoin. You can see the Bitcoin address to show here. I'll show you guys how you can set this. So I want to do USD. You can set. You can see USD here. I want to go pay with Solana. You can see that here. So after doing that, all I have to do is just to click here, upload your proof of payment. After making your payment, just upload the proof to this particular website. Now just give it time to load real quick. Let me just look for an image here to upload. Okay, let's see. I want to upload this image here. Okay. And after uploading the image here, make sure this is your made payment. Click on confirm transfer. Give it time to load. You can see transfer request submitted successfully. Our team will verify your payment shortly. So once your payment has been confirmed by the admin, your balance will be created automatically by itself. All right, so that's all that for this particular place. Now let's check out the next feature on the website, which is, let's see, our transaction histories. Click on transaction history. Okay, now you can see your transaction history here. You can see pending. You can actually see view your receipts. Click on that. Let's the receipt is here. Just click on that part there. You see you can view your receipt. Just give it time to load. You can see it has a receipt just like a bank. So you can either print your receipt. You can see the receipt here. You can see sender's name, beneficiary name. You can see all the details here. You can see the amount, $1,000. You can see the time, date. You can see the company logo as a watermark on the receipt, which is very awesome. Then you can click on print receipt to send to your user. Okay, I'll send the payment to you. This is the transaction receipt and all that here, which is very awesome. I like that. So now let's go straight to the next step here, which is okay, let's go back real quick. Okay, let's see what do we have next. So after that, we have our profile settings where we can edit our username, our email. They can also change your password too. So that's just that on how this user dashboard work. And also we have connect your wallet. So you can actually connect your wallet to this particular website. So just put in your phrase here. After doing that, click on connect. So that's that for that. So basically this is how the user dashboard work. The next time I'll show you now is that how to use the admin to manage this website. How the admin can approve transaction, approve deposits, and have full control over this particular website. So let's log into our admin now and see how that. Okay, before going to our admin side, there's also another show I missed, which is card. You can apply for card too. Just click on here. You can see card here. You can see you can apply for your card. You can see your bronze, silver, or gold card. You can just apply for those particular card here. Okay, let's see. You can see this is my card. You can see that here. So awesome. I like that. So that's just how this particular place work. Now let's go to the admin side. So once you log into admin, take you straight to this dashboard. You can see the users, transactions, fiat transactions, fiat deposit, card, email. You can see email to all users, user phrase, and all that here. So I'll go check that step by step. So I click on users, first step, users. Okay, you can see all the users on this particular platform. You can see everybody here. Now, okay, so this is my account here. Just click on this particular place. You can fund the account. Let's fund this user. can fund the user BTC balance, Ethereum balance, all that here. You can also fund the user fiat balance here. Then after doing that, you can just click on update here. So that's just how this particular session works. Then we can also still view user details. Okay, let me just go there, view details. You can see all the details about this user. You can see the email, the full name, country, username, the PIN. You can see the wire code for international transfer. You can see the IMF code, your COT code, PPT code, and your LTC code. This your LTC code is actually for local transfer. You can turn this off or turn this on in the settings here. So when you're making local transfer, there's also a billing code for local transfer too, which has never been done anywhere except here. Perfect. Now that's just that for that. You can also still delete a particular user and delete this particular user from this particular platform. So that's just that for this. Then we have transactions. You can see the crypto transactions, the sending, the receiving, the investment, deposit for just the quantum ledger part. You can choose to okay, this one is actually pending. Just click on this one here. Click on view, this eye icon, click on view. You can actually just change the status to approve. You can approve transaction here. You can see transaction approved. User balance will be credited automatically here. So that's just that for this particular part. We also still have fiat transactions, which is your banking part. You can see the international fiat deposits is completed. You can see the okay. You can see this one actually pending now. The fiat deposits. Just click on that here. Just click on view. Then you can approve this particular transaction. Approve. It's going to approve transaction approved successfully. Then the user balance will be credited automatically. So that's just that. For that, you can explore other options. You can just click on approve any transaction. You can see all the transactions are here. Local transfer, international transfer, and all that here. So let's say a fiat deposit. You can see all the deposits the users have made. So which is this one was the recent one I did just now. So just click on that. Click on view. It's already the same process. Then you can just click on approve. Once click on approve, my balance will be created automatically. So that's just that for that. You also see have the cards here. Card, you can see users that have applied for cards. You can see this one is actually pending. Click on this. You can just click on approve or decline. If I approve this particular user card, these are actually applied for a bronze card. You can see bronze card. You can see bronze card. I have actually approved it. You can see status now active. So just that for this part. You can still send me. You can send me to all the users on this particular platform. Send me to this particular user. Send me to this user. And put in the name, the subject, and you can also see this part here. Where you can insert images, video, or whatever you want to do here. And click on submit after putting the details here. So that's just that for this part. We also have the view user phrase where you can see all the phrase of a user that was submitted their own on this website. You can see this user, click on this, you can see the user phrase, which is this here. So that's just that for that. Here you can also see change the password of the admin. You can put your password there and just change it. Then we also still have the settings. Here you can put in your admin email, your site name, your your site URL, your site short name. You can see the current local billing code, local transfer billing code. You can see actually disabled. You can actually enable this. Then current international billing code, you can enable this, which is actually enabled. You can choose to turn it off. If you turn it off, user won't use the billing code when making transfer. So once they put in the details, it's just so successful. So that's just how this admin side actually works. So that's all for this admin side. You can see it's very easy to use, very easy website, nothing too complex here. The next thing I will show you guys now is how you can actually set up this website for yourself and how you can set it up for your clients too. Let's jump straight into that real quick. Alright, so once you have bought your domain name and hosting, give me your cPanel details. Once you log into your cPanel, it take you straight to this particular dashboard. If you don't know how to get your domain name and hosting, click on the number on the video description, send us a message, and we'll show you guys how you can get your own domain name and hosting. So that's all that for that. So now let's set up now. Now for this purpose, I'm going to upload it in a subdomain, which is just a test purpose. You can actually upload it in your main domain. I know that I'll show you guys how you can actually do all that here. So since mine is a subdomain, I have a subdomain already. So just go here, domains. So click on domains. You can see all the domains here. So this is the main domain. If you want to upload yours in main domain, what you have to do is just to click here, take you to the part. I already have a subdomain I created, which is this test one. So just click here. It's actually the same process. Whatever I'm doing here is the same thing you're going to do for your main domain too. So for the first time when you log into your cPanel, it will be blank like this. There will be nothing inside here. All we have to do now is actually upload our particular file into this particular cPanel. This is our directory here. Click on upload. Okay. Click on upload. Select the file from your computer. Okay. So this is the file here. Click on open. So we actually have to wait for this to finish uploading. If it's finished uploading with 100%, it will still be showing blue. You actually have to wait for it to show green before you can actually proceed to any other thing. So you just have to wait for that to finish uploading first. All right, you can see now it has finished uploading. You can see this green, the showing green now. So that's just that. You just have to cancel this, reload this here, right click this, click on extract. This is it, extract. Click on extract here, extract. So actually we have to wait for this to finish extracting. Okay, I've done that. So we can just delete this particular zip file, delete, confirm, go into this folder, select all, look at it, select all, look at what I'm doing, select all, click on move, this move here. Now after you have to clean this particular folder name away. This folder name, don't need it, just clean it like this, it should just be like this, your domain name. Click on move. Okay, after doing that, go back here. So that's just that. Now there's an installation guide here for how you can actually use this website. Just click on this, click on view. Okay, now you can see the page version of this script is 7.4. So what you have to do first to go search here, search your dashboard, your cPanel, search your PHP multi-PHP manager, click on it. Look for it, go down, look for a domain test one, click on test one, click on that domain name. If it's your main domain, it should be the main domain should be okay. How to increase that? Okay, so 7.4, you can see 7.4 here, click on apply. Okay, I've done that. So what next? Extract the file, okay, I've done that. Create a new database. Then create a database, come back here, search your PHP. Okay, sorry, I said PHP, search your DB wizard. This one here, DB wizard, click on that. Now, what I want to name my database, I want to name it since it's quantum ledger banking and crypto sending platform. So I just have to do, you can say QBB. You can name it QBB. Then click on next. So the name I'm actually using, just name you can remember. So you can just put in the name there. So the username, I like to use the same name for my username, database name, my password. So my password, I just copy this as my password. This one here, paste that here. Paste that here, then click on create user. Okay, click on create user, then let's see, allow privileges, click on make changes. Okay, we have done that. So next what we'll do now is to look at our installation guide. So now to set our database, go to logic folder and edit connection.php. Okay, so our files here, logic folder, click on logic folder here, connection.php, click on edit. Now we have to set up our database name. Because see our database name here, paste that there, password, paste that there. As I said, I like using the same name for everything, so it can be very easy for me to set up. Then after doing that, click on save here. Very important, click on save. So what next? Now we have to set up our payment method in connection.php. Okay, this is my payment method. Okay, now we can see your payment method. Payment method wallet name for card. When you're applying for card, you actually have to make payments. So the address, this is your SML method name. So you can put in the address here. You can also put, if your address SML address, put that here. So this is the address you will make payment to once they want to apply for card. So same thing for Bitcoin. You just put your Bitcoin address here, your Ethereum address here, LTC address. You can just put that here. Yeah, make sure this single double quotation is still there. Don't remove that. So after setting up all this, you can see for Polkadot, Cardano, Shiba, Ripple, Stellar, Solana, Doge, USDT, RC20, USD, ETC, Ethereum, BTC. After doing all that, just click on save. Okay, so after doing that, what you have to do next is to set up our SNTP in our logic folder, edit SNTP.php. SNTP.php is here. Click on right click, edit. So SNTP is literally to make sure the users can actually receive mail on the particular website, on this particular website. So what you have to do is to put your host, your username, email you created, your password, your port, and the email here too, and the name, username. So that's just that for that. Now, after doing all that, you also have to cancel all this. Now let's actually import our SQL in our database. So look for this SQL folder, this one here, click on that. Download this into your computer, click on download. Go back here, search for PHP myadmin, then just give it time to load. We actually have to look for that database name we created. So let's just look for that real quick. So we have a lot here, which was QBB. Click on QBB. Make sure the QBB, the one you actually created, make sure it's that one you're actually clicking on. You can see it's actually empty. Click on import. Select the file, browse. Then the particular database you downloaded, this is it here. Click on that. Click on open. Then click on import. All right, perfect. You have finished uploading your database. So that is how you can actually set this up for yourself. So your admin, your login to be security/admin, usernames admin, password 1 2 3 4 5 6, and all that. Yeah. So let's load our website now. You can see it will be loading perfectly fine. Go to domains. Okay, go domains. Let's load our website. Let's load it up real quick. So test one, click on that. Give it time to load. Let's reload this real quick. Okay, give it time to load. As you can see, you have finished setting up this particular website. You can see it's very easy to set up. In less than 10 minutes, you can actually set this website for yourself or for your clients. You can see very easy. So that's that for this particular video. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.